Hi everyone, this is Sarian of Trees and Kittens, and today's video is a straightforward recommendation video. My favorite acrylic paint for polymer, clay, and resin. To cut to the chase, it's Sakura acrylic paint. The paint is available in both opaque and translucent versions. So one reason I personally like this paint is because of the one-layer coverage. I've used many acrylics and I haven't found one that matches the coverage and the spreadability of Sakura. As you can see in this video, a small dab of paint from the cap is enough to cover my clay project. I often use clay scraps for my projects and then go over them with a black paint as a base coat before painting on metallics. So this is really useful for me. And now here's the finished clay piece after one coat of Sakura Carbon Black. It's really full coverage, as you can see here, which is why it's one of my favorites for base coat. And even the other colors, it's not just black, are really full coverage. So Sakura Acrylics in translucent is also available and is also perfect for your resin projects. True to the name, they really give a translucent tint to resin. The paint is also really spreadable, so there are no paint chunks in the resin mixture unlike some brands. I hope this video helped. So do you happen to have a favorite paint for your clay projects? Let me know if you've given Sakura a try too. Feel free to sound off in the comments. Happy crafting!